Hi.
Hi.
So we are back again, and
Yes.
I'll be discussing about artificial intelligence today.
Yeah, it's a very hot trending topic. Everybody is running around and worried about AI, AI. Everywhere is AI, AI चल रहा है हर जगह. तो
Correct.
उसी को लेके हमारा एक ये आज का डिस्कशन है.
Correct. And basically, AI will not talk about any other industry. We'll talk about how it is related to film industry and whether one should be worried about or whether one should use it to the fullest for their benefits.
Right.
So इसको डिस्कस करने से पहले मैं थोड़ा सा हिस्ट्री पे जाना चाहूँगा. हमारा we as a human kind it happens that every time something new comes. So there are two sort of groups, one in the favor, one against it.
Right. One is welcoming and the other is,
करेक्ट.
rejecting.
ये आज का नहीं है, ये हज़ारों सालों से चल रहा है.
Right.
ठीक है, राजा महाराजाओं के टाइम में भी ये चीज़ें रही होंगी. टॉपिक्स मुझे नहीं पता, बट मैं ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाऊँगा. लेट्स से 200-300 ईयर्स बैक जब लोग पढ़ते थे, बुक्स थी, कुछ मटेरियल होते थे. Probably they used to write on leaves or something of that sort.
Right.
But जैसे प्रिंटिंग प्रेस आई तो everybody thought कि यार पता नहीं क्या होगा. कुछ ने कहा कि हाँ ये इससे और लिटरेचर जमा होगा, मोर आर्काइव होगा. तो जैसे प्रिंटिंग प्रेस आई तो न्यूज़पेपर्स आए तो it became a very good medium to share information and keep people alert, and they know about
the world,
current
कि
affairs,
क्या चल रहा है
world,
देश में.
इंडिया में रह के पेरिस में क्या हो रहा है, पेरिस में रह के इंडिया में क्या हो रहा है. तो
Right.
ये रहा. बट ऑल्सो नेगेटिव साइड ये रही कि प्रिंटिंग वॉज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर सेलिंग प्रोपेगेंडा और मिसइंफॉर्मेशन लाइज फॉर पॉलिटिकल इंटरेस्ट बाय द लीडर्स. तो ये तो हमेशा ही रहता है. सो सेम गोस फॉर दी 4-wheeler. लोग घोड़े से ट्रैवल करते थे एंड 4-wheeler आए 125 ईयर्स बैक. सो पीपल थॉट कि बेनिफिट होगा या नुकसान होगा. नाउ अगर आप आज देखोगे तो 4-wheelers की वजह से कितनी कनेक्टिविटी है. पीपल आर एबल टू ट्रैवल फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू बी. ऑल्सो मेडिकल फैसिलिटी भी कितनी फास्ट हो गई है.
एवरीथिंग. सो जैसे कि सेइंग है कि एवरीथिंग कम्स विद द प्रोज एंड कॉन्स.
करेक्ट.
वही सिनेरियो है हर चीज में.
सो बेनिफिट है. बट अगर आप देखोगे कि लैक्स ऑफ पीपल डाई ड्यू टू रोड एक्सीडेंट.
Pollution is a big factor, a major factor. Pollution.
Correct.
So that happens with everything.
So similarly, इंटरनेट भी आया तब भी लोगों ने कहा कि अब इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रीली शेयर हो रही है, लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, बहुत कुछ है. बट अगेन एक डार्क वर्ल्ड भी क्रिएट हो गया है इंटरनेट में, वेयर लॉट्स ऑफ स्कैम्स आर हैपनिंग एंड lots of negative things are happening. So AI also, AI is here. AI पहले भी था with some flavor. अब भी full fledged आया है, डेवलप हो रहा है and it is going to stay here. And अगर हम अपनी फील्ड में बताएं तो like for example पहले अगर कोई कहता कि ये वॉइस ओवर है तो it was blind trust कि हाँ this is voice over from XYZ person, real person sitting at a sound studio. But अभी AI की वजह से possible हो गया है to some extent some voice overs. And it is very difficult to identify कि whether it is.
So they have worked on voice over. It's not like मतलब आप सुनोगे तो आपको लगेगा कि machine voice है या robotic voice है. So they have improved a lot and many resources have good options also.
Correct.
So
Now,
ये voice over में तो आया है काफी.
Correct. For example, like photos में बहुत चीज़ें on the fly you can remove things. You can add missing employee of the day. If there's a group photograph and one
Right.
employee is absent, it can be added.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Earlier, it used to take time in Photoshop. You have to, match up things with the current photo, और फिर जो जिस बंदे को आपको ऐड करना है, then you have to match, you have to sync. But अभी AI इतना एडवांस्ड है, वो उसका एल्गो ऐसा है कि it helps in these little things, important things. तो उसमें काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है.
so yeah, you're right. So AI आ गया है, AI हमें पता है, तो AI कस्टमर को भी पता है.
Right.
Okay, so be prepared for some special requests by the customers as well, जो कि धीरे धीरे possible हो रहा है. For example, you record interview of a CEO, और फिर तुम्हारे पास request आती है कि वो तो fly करके चला गया US, but अब कह रहे हैं कि ये line की जगह कुछ और बुलवा दो, just change the interview and make him say something else. So it's quite possible using the right tools, और smoothly ये possible हो जाएगा, आने वाले दिनों में. तो you should be prepared for that, है ना?
Yeah. So many things are coming up with AI.
Yeah.
जो हमने सोचा भी नहीं है. So
correct. Video में भी ये possible होगा. There's a team building exercise and one of the main employees attending some exhibition abroad.
Right.
So maybe they'll say ki, with the help of AI, try to add that employee within the video. I'm not talking about photo.
Right,
So
in the video itself.
yeah,
because video is a tough part, to add or remove something or masking something. So it's a tough task.
Correct.
Earlier, but with the help of AI, with certain tools, with certain plugins, we can
Correct.
Do it
Correct.
in a little more convenient
Correct.
way.
In script writing, there are
Yeah.
whole lot of tools, AI can help you out.
Yes.
In photos, in audio, in video editing.
Yeah.
Okay, so the bottom line is, you as a freelancer, or you're running a video production house, or you are a filmmaker, so you have to learn the available AI tools and
Right.
make use of it, okay, in a positive way, right? Forget about people, those who are using AI to just cut the corner, and just fulfill their selfish interests. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's a society. There are good people, there are bad people, but we as a
Content
authentic, genuine people, and like you all, we should learn these tools and try to implement it, and help our customers and make our working style more productive.
Right.
Okay, so don't worry about that, this will eat our jobs. No, it's not that.
So it's been, it's been quite a long. Initially when the AI came, so there was very, jobs चली जाएंगी and हम कैसे करेंगे?
Correct.
So everything it will be controlled by the machine. But ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ. So
Yeah.
it will never happen. Jobs will be there. The content creators will be there.
Work will be there. Yeah,
But
work
we
will
have
be.
to sync with the
Yeah.
AI, with the technology.
Correct.
So that we can be more productive and
100%.
give our clients the things they want, and
Yeah.
a better perspective to
Yes,
them.
you have to, you have to satisfy your customer.
Right.
You have to use AI to 10x your creativity and 100x your productivity.
Right.
That should be the objective. AI is here to help us.
Yes.
Help us all. AI is not here to replace us. Okay?
Right.
So this should be very clear. And I'll come again. We'll come again and discuss this topic in another part
Right.
with some interesting things, right? So, anything else, Vidushi? you would
No,
like to-
so that's all for this video. And as as said by Aditya, we'll be discussing in more detail with with all key points,
Correct.
so that we'll share what our thoughts, what our learnings from AI is. So in the next part of the video.
Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
you.